Welcome back, class. How are you all doing? Fine? Now, ready for your science lesson? Yes, this is your science lesson of week 2, day 1. Now, what is your science lesson today? It's very, very interesting. I'm sure you all, especially boys, will be very interesting, right? Because it's about animals. What is the lesson about? It's about animals. Correct. Now, I'll be sharing, I'll be showing a video to you. Okay. Now, look at the video very, very carefully with your eyes and listen to the video very carefully with your ears. Okay. All right. Let's start. Okay. Let's go. Ready, steady, go. Come on.
Let's visit the wild animals. I will take you to the zoo today. So where we are. Looks scary.
Looks scary.
There is a monkey.
Wow. There's a monkey. Oh my God,
Lion,
there's a lion.
leopard,
Leopard. Wow.
tiger,
Tiger. Cute.
polar bear,
Polar bear.
panda,
Panda. My God. It's so
chimpanzee,
cute. Chimpanzee. Wow.
giraffe,
Giraffe. Great.
zebra,
Zebra.
kangaroo,
Kangaroo.
elephant,
Oh, that's an elephant.
bear,
Bear. Wow.
koala,
Wow. These are all animals. My God. Fox. Oh, I'm so scared about fox.
squirrel,
Squirrel.
wolf,
Wolf.
Wow. That was incredible experience.
That was a good experience, right? Yes. Great. So you saw all these animals? Now there were different types of animals, but basically they were wild animals, right? They were wild animals. Now I'll show you a picture here. What is this picture about? Is it an animal? Yes, but this is an insect, right? It's a ladybird. And what about this? This is also an insect? Yes, this is a butterfly. Wow. So these are two insects. There are different types of animals, right? Now see. See this picture. This is an elephant, right? You saw this in the video. This is a wild animal. Now, this is a turtle, correct. And it's a bird, cutie pie. Now, these are different animals. Now, when you see these animals, what do you find? Now, see, they are correct. They are very colorful. They are of different color and they are of different sizes. Wow. And they are also of different shapes, right? Now, I'll be showing a PowerPoint to you and you are going to look at that and see what we have. Now, what is this picture about? What is this picture about? Correct. This picture is about different animals, right? And what is this? What is this picture about? These are different types of animals. You can see lion, snake, cat. This is a hippopotamus, fox, a bird, zebra, giraffe, rabbit, and elephant. You can see all these animals are of different color. Yes. Now let's see this. See, they are also different colors. They are of different colors here. so colorful. This is you can say this is an penguin, an owl, snake, a turtle. See, different color, and animals are of different shapes as well. Now this animal, elephant, is of circle shape. This is cross. This is heptagon, crescent. So these all animals are different shapes: octagon, heart shape animal, arrow animal, polygon. So animals are also of different shapes, right? Don't think that shapes is only in maths. Shapes are everywhere, right? So animals can be of different shapes. It could be of different colors. It could be of different sizes, like I have shown you. Yes? Yes or no? Great. Now when I asked, now these were about different type of animals, right? Now, what do you think they are? What do we call them? Yes, they are all living things, right? And living things can be of different types. Like living things can be plant, two types you can say. Plants are also living things. Animals are also living things, right? Now, what is the difference between these two? Plants are also living things and animals are also living things. Plants are also of different colors and shapes. Animals are also of different colors and shapes, right? Yes, like I've shown you, a ladybird is of different shape, right? And the shape of this turtle is different, right? The turtle, you can see it's of half a circle and this of oval shape, right? So these two animals are of different shapes and of different colors and of different sizes. Correct. Same goes for this butterfly and elephant. See, butterfly is of, you can say, a square shape. Elephant is of an oval shape, and they both are of different colors. Correct? So this is the difference between the animals which are of different colors. They are of different shapes, yet they are all living things. Right? Now, if you see in your book, page number 6, you can find animals over here. Now see, animals are of many colors and they are of many shapes. Now see this picture here. They have also shown the different animals here. In the same way, if you go to page number 7, they have shown pictures of insects. Like I have shown you a butterfly. I have shown you a picture of a ladybird here. And this is an ant and this is a fly. And what is this? This is a bee. So these are all insects and you can see they are of different shapes and of different colors. And if you read this, it says animals are very small, insects are very small animals. They crawl. What do they do? They crawl, but some of them also fly, right? So insects, they can crawl and they can fly, right? Like you can see butterfly can fly and a ladybird can crawl, right? In the same way, you can see uh, an ant can crawl, right? So these are of different shapes and different color animals, right? Now, very, very quickly, I want you to just look at these two pages and I will ask you a question about the different animals. 1, 2, 3 for 1 minute. Your time starts now. Time is up. Okay. Can you tell me any name of any animal? Anyone, one animal. Yes, zebra, very good. Yes, Amir. A lion, very good. Yes, Neha. An elephant, correct. Now, what type of animals are these? Like zebra and lion, what type of animals? They are wild animals. Correct. They zebra and elephant, they are wild animals. Why? Because they live in jungle, in forest, right? Okay. Now, can you name some other animals which is not wild animal? Yes, a parrot, right. A parrot is not a wild animal. Where does it live? It lives in cages. It lives in the forest, also on the trees. You can find parrots on the trees. All the birds, they mostly like to live on the trees, right? And any other animal that you can name which lives on the tree? Uh, uh, yes, a sparrow, that's a bird that also lives on tree, different type of birds, and another bird that lives on a tree, and that is an owl. An owl is also a bird and it likes to live on the tree, right? So these are, you can say I have shown you so many different type of animals, and I'm so happy for all of your responses. Good job, Tas. Very good. So now you know what are the different types of animals, right? Okay. Now, very quickly in your notebooks, in 1 minute, you have to write down the names of two animals which are of different shapes. One, two, three, start. Remember, you have to write two animals which are of different shapes, okay, and colors also. Your time is up. Yes, Amir, can you name some animals which are of different shapes? An elephant, correct. And a butterfly. Good job. Very good. I'm so happy for you. Okay. Yes, Neha, can you tell me your animal? A polar bear. Okay. And a squirrel. Very good. Great. Okay. Yes, Alia, can you name yours, please? A ladybird. Good. What else? And a what? A giraffe. Good. A ladybird is like an oval shape, and giraffe you can see it's kind of rectangular shape because it's very tall. So these are different animals which are of different shapes and colors and sizes, right? You have seen the video, you saw the PowerPoint, right? So is it clear in your mind that animals are living things and they are of different shapes, different sizes, and different colors. Good. Wow, very good. I'll show you the picture now to wrap up the lesson, and you are going to tell me the shapes and name of the animal. Now, which animal is this? It's a cow. And what's the shape of a cow? Great, it's circle. Very good. Now, which animal is this? It's a crow. Good. And what is the shape of the crow? You can see, you can see the shape of the crow. It's kind of oval. Wow, great. And what is this? Which animal is this? It's a bird. It's a peacock. Wow. And what's the shape of the peacock? Circle. Great job. My class is so intelligent and so happy for you all. That means that today's task is done. You are able to name the animals which are of different shapes, which are of different sizes, which are of different colors. Great. Now see you tomorrow in your next class. I'll be posting your homework on the portal, and remember to see all the Edworld videos. All the videos are made by us, by Edworld people, and please do watch them. And the video that I've shown you about animals, that is also Edworld video. Okay, do watch them, subscribe them because they are very interesting. Okay, so bye from now, children. Bye bye. See you.